What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Nike Dunk Low Women's Golden Girls. Let's get into it. First, you got your same normal Nike Dunk box. The Nike on the front, Nike check, Nike on the side. And then you got your Nike over this side with the size tag. It says women's size 8, men's size 6.5. Women's Nike Dunk Low, Millet Silver, off Nor White. Let's get into it. You got your same normal tissue paper, white tissue paper on the inside. And we're gonna pull out these nice dunks right here. All right, here we go. The Nike Dunk Low Women's Golden Girls. Give y'all a 360. All right, first we're gonna start off with this texture. We got a silver texture. There's a glimmer, like a glimmer silver texture going around the shoe. You got a white toe box with a mesh white toe box. You got your silver laces on the inside. You got your Nike, black and white Nike on the tongue. You got your black Nike check. That's black leather Nike check, white mesh going around. In the back, you got your Nike printed in black stitch. And then you got the silver, flaky silver leather overlay going around the whole shoe outline. On the bottom of your shoe, you got your silver gray on the bottom. And you got your white just going around the whole shoe. Also, as you can see, come with the extra pair of laces that are gold, which is a very nice touch to this shoe. This shoe was inspired by, they called it glitz and glamour of the makeup world. I guess this is trying to showcase a woman's or man's love for makeup. I mean, hey, women and men wear makeup these days, so this can be inspired. This shoe was inspired from both of them, I guess. So, you know, that's why it got this shimmery look to it. I like it. It's a different look that you see on the Dunk. Most Dunks are usually plain colored, but these right here, they stand out. I like the way they stand out. I like this little silver texture they got going around the shoe. Pretty much a very nice shoe. Like I said, it's a Dunk, but it's a new colorway. And we rocking with it. This is the right shoe. Let's go to the left shoe. Look the same way. You got your leather black Nike check going on the side of the shoe. You got your white mesh toe box. You got your glittery silver going around the whole shoe. You got your gray shoestrings with your black Nike on the toe. On the tongue. On the inside of the shoe, you got it's black with Nike on the inside. You got your gray bottoms, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this shoe. It's a nice, simply different shoe. Like I like Dunks, but I really like this one because it stands out. Like when you walk around with these, somebody gonna look at them and be like, man, those look nice. I like the shine on them. Let me give y'all a closer up look of it. That's the 360 view of the shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about the shoe. Would you like the shoe? Man, would you get this shoe for your girl? If you have a girl or your sister or your mom, anybody, y'all let me know what y'all think about this shoe. Is it a nice pickup or would you pass on it? They retail for I think they retail for $110. Yeah, retail was $110 on these, so that wasn't bad for a nice Nike Dunk. They came out on January, sorry. They came out December yesterday. So what was yesterday's date? Sorry, y'all. That was December the 9th. They came out December the 9th. I picked these up at my local Finish Line. I got lucky on these. I got the exclusive access on the app, and I like that new. Y'all let me know if y'all use Finish Line. What y'all think about that new exclusive access, the way they do it on the app. I love it. I think it's gonna be better for us manual people that like to manually cop and not have to worry about any botters out there. We should be able to get more pickups these days now and not have to worry about all these shoes getting took away by these botters. So I love this new concept they got with if you have a status account with Finish Line, that they send you the exclusive access and you can use some of your points and go ahead and secure your pair and not have to worry about trying to fight these botters online to get shoes. So that's a very nice thing they got going on. I love it. So No complaints over here. I think that also with this shoe, I think I'm gonna put these gold ones in there. It's different. But when you look at it, don't it kind of look like a New Year's shoe? Like, wouldn't you wear this on New Year's Eve or something? Just because it's like it goes with the colorway for the New Year's. You got your silver and then you got your gold for the shoestrings. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. This nice Nike Dunk Low Golden Girls. Y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about them. Go ahead and like and subscribe to your girl. Continue to follow me on these reviews of these shoes, and y'all just let me know anything y'all got, any questions. Y'all hit me down in them comments below. And like I said, continue, if you haven't, go ahead and follow your girl on Instagram at @sneakermom1721. And that's why I usually put all my fits on that way I wear with my shoes. So y'all go over there and check that out and see all my outfits I wear with my shoes when I post them on there. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. But hey, and guess what? Until the next time, it's your girl, Sneaker Mom. Peace.